Hear that knocking noise over every bump? This BMW X3 came in with it, and the owner was certain it was on the right. At first it did point that way, so before touching the single part, we checked both sides. The worn part was on the left. The front strut top mount had broken down. Suspension noise travels through the whole car, so the side you hear is rarely the side that's worn. We sourced the right mount, rebuilt the strut, and had it back on the same day. The knock is gone and the car feels tight again. A good repair starts with the cause.